Several Indian corporates, including entities named in the 2G scam, Augusta Westland case, the Rolls-Royce bribery case, and the Aircel Maxis case, were named in the FinCEN files leaked documents, highlighting dubious transactions worth $2 trillion. According to a report in Indian Express, which is a part of the International Consortium of Investigative Journalists, and 109 other news publications, which accused the leaked FinCEN files. Other Indian entities figuring in these documents include a jailed art and antique smuggler, a global diamond firm owned by Indian-born citizens named in several offshore leaks, a premier healthcare and hospitality group, a bankrupt steel firm, a luxury car dealer who allegedly dumped several high-net-worth individuals, a multinational Indian conglomerate, a sponsor of the IPL team, and alleged Hawala dealer. The latest revelation came from a leaked cache of 2,500 documents sent by big global banks to US financial regulator, Treasury Department's Financial Crimes Enforcement Network, that is FinCEN, between 2000 and 2017, to red flag dubious transactions involving potential money laundering, terrorism, drug dealing, or financial fraud. These leaked documents, which constitute FinCEN files, are not evidence of illegality by the banks or their clients in question, known as suspicious activity reports. These documents, compiled by compliance officers within the banks, reported past transactions which displayed signs of financial crime, or those transactions involving people or entities with shady past record. The latest revelations come after a slew of such leaks in the past, such as Swiss leaks in 2015, Panama Papers in 2016, and Paradise Papers in 2017, to hit the banking industry, raising concerns over the ease with which banned entities are able to bypass sanctions. The US Department of Justice has launched investigations and even saw convictions based on SARS in the past, which highlighted transactions suspected of nefarious activities such as money laundering, terrorism, drug dealing, or financial fraud. Almost 80% of these SARS involving transactions worth rupees 2 trillion were reported by top global banks such as Deutsche Bank, Bank of New York Mellon, Standard Chartered Bank, Citibank, and JP Morgan Chase.
Subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button. Click the bell button and enjoy the latest uploads from our channel.